New Holdings, which is a digital financial services company based primarily in Latin America, reported quarterly financial results that sent the stock price up by more than 10% in the aftermarket hours. Of course, I'm happy about that. New Holdings is a stock that I've been recommending as a buy for a few years now, and one that I've rated as something that's undervalued at current market prices. So in this video, I'm going to review the company's latest financial results and update my recommendation whether I think it's a buy, hold, or a sell. Right, so New Holdings reported that the results in Brazil continue to impress. It now has 107 million customers and more than 60% of adult penetration in Brazil. So that's the strongest market, and it's expanding into new markets like Mexico and Colombia. So New is in the early stages of building a full-scale retail banking platform in Mexico, surpassing 12 million customers. And in Colombia, it's approaching the inflection point with nearly 10% of the company's population now as a customer. But not only is the company increasing the number of customers, it's also increasing the engagement per customer, which is a good sign of a good customer value proposition, which is one of the most important of the 6 steps I look at when I'm evaluating a stock. The monthly average revenue per customer reached $12.20, which is up 18% year over year, while the cost to serve each of these customers remained stable. In Latin America, total deposit reached 36.6 billion this quarter, and that was up by 41% year over year. And that's great for a company like New Holdings, as I talk about with other companies and financial companies that do lending services, because the cost of those deposits is lower than if the company were to get money from warehouse lending facilities, other investors and lenders to lend to their customers. When customers are providing the deposits to make loans, those are the lowest costs of funds that a business like New Holdings can generate. Another company that's benefiting from a similar trend with increasing customer deposits, decreasing the cost of lending, is SoFi. SoFi is another company that I follow that is benefiting from a similar trend line. The management team went on to say that they're expanding their customer base to nearly 123 million, with over 4.3 million net additions in the quarter.
Click the link below to watch the full video.